Okay, y'all, this is my first video, so I'm gonna attempt to try to do y'all a video. The first one is gonna be a seafood boil that I am attempting tonight. This isn't my first time eating seafood, but I gotta find what it look. Okay, this isn't my first time eating seafood, but I already have the chicken, potatoes, and sausage going right now in my pot. And so now I'm about to get my sauce going. So in my sauce, this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna sit the phone back down so I can show y'all. And this isn't just my sauce. This is B-Love sauce, but I kind of did my own little twist to it, but it has a lot of her ingredients. So just to let y'all know, it's not just I didn't come up with this sauce until I saw B-Love sauce. Then I added a little twist. So it has a lot of her ingredients in this sauce. All right. So I'm going to put a whole onion because I like it chunky. And I should have had my knife. Okay, I'm going to chop up a whole onion. And I put it down in this pot right here. And I just let it cook on low the whole time my boil is going. But in my boil, I'm going to be using chicken, sausage, potatoes, crawfish, Jonas crab claws, shrimp, and I might put some eggs. I'm not sure about the eggs just yet. But normally I put potatoes and all that in there too. But I'm not putting the potatoes. I mean corn. But I'm not putting the corn today either. I'm trying to get it where y'all can see. Because I don't have no tripod. This is my first video. So bear with me. I'm going to just do it like that. I don't have no description or nothing. So this video is going to be pretty much trial and error of someone to watch it. I hope. Thank y'all for watching. And I hope y'all subscribe to me and hopefully love my videos. But I'm just going to use some butter. I don't use butter. I just use whatever kind of butter I got. Right now it's some spread. So, and I'm probably going to use about 2 to 3 sticks of that. Probably 3. Because I don't like to run out of butter while I'm eating. But, yeah. I'm going to dice this onion up while I'm dicing this. I can have my butter melting. So, I'm just going to open 3 sticks of butter. I would do 4, but I have to see. Because I want it to have like a little hint of spiciness to it. I like it kind of spicy, but not too spicy. But at the same time, I don't want it to just taste like, you know, too much butter either. I want some flavor. Hopefully I'm at a good angle. Let me see. Okay. So I'm putting the butter on. And I turn my pot on low while I do that. By the way, I'm not new to YouTube, but I'm new to recording. So I've been on YouTube for about 9-10 years. I would say 9-10 years. I follow a lot of people, but I'm one of the ones that I had to build up my nerves and just go ahead on and do it. Just go ahead on and do it. That's what I did. Just built up my nerves, decided to make a channel. So I'm dicing it really, really small. small. I want to say that my sauce is really close to what she used, but I don't know everything that she used, but I'm thinking that my sauce is close to it. So we can say that this is B-Love sauce with my twist. I don't think she'll mind that. So I'm gonna dice up this onion. It was just a small onion, but I'm gonna dice up the whole onion. Small. Okay, so that's my onions. I'm gonna go ahead on and put that on over in the pot with the butter. Because I want my onions and butter and everything to melt. Well, I want the butter to melt, but I want the onions to get soft. You know, I don't want my onions crunchy by the time it's finished. So even though it wouldn't be, but you know, just to make sure, that's what I do. Okay. Then I'm gonna go in with sorry y'all, I'm be all over the place because I ain't got the stuff together. So then I'm gonna go in with my garlic. So I am gonna put, I have a half a teaspoon right here. And since I put 3 sticks of butter, I think half a teaspoon is what I'm going to use today for all my measurements with my seasonings. But normally, I'm going to say that I use about 2 sticks of butter, but I only use a 1/4 teaspoon of each seasoning, the garlic and everything. Okay, so today I'm using half a teaspoon because I have 3 sticks of butter. 3 sticks of butter. So I'm gonna put a tablespoon of garlic, because tablespoon and a half of garlic, because I like it garlicky, if that's a word. If it ain't, oh well. Okay, so the seasonings I'm going to be going in with, I'm gonna show y'all first. Okay, I'm going to use some brown sugar, light or brown sugar. I just have light brown sugar. I've used dark brown sugar. It really didn't make a difference. But some brown sugar, hot sauce, honey. And I just added the honey because I watched a video the other day and I saw where somebody was doing B-Love salt, making B-Love sauce, and they was adding honey to it, so I decided to add honey just to see if it changes the taste of the recipe I already had put together, which I really didn't notice too much of a difference. So honey, red pepper flakes, the W sauce, I don't know however you said the W sauce, cayenne pepper, oregano leaves, Old Bay, chili powder, parsley, ground ginger, garlic powder, and onion powder. Those are all the seasonings that I'm going to be using. So like I said, I'm going to be going in with half teaspoon of each one of them. So I'm going, what this is, cayenne, going in with the cayenne pepper first. I'm going to try to turn y'all around this way now. Lean you down a little bit, because that's what my pot is at. I hope this ain't no bad film, y'all.